The Coincidence Collection. Scent layers created by mishaps. Let's visualize some pugnacious perfume layers created by my clumsiness. Kayali Vanilla 28 and Latafa Kamra Kawa. YSL Libre Intense and PDM Delina. Shahaf Oud Arma and Nimap Vanilla Musk. Birdie Alud Sublime and Under the Lemon Trees. BR 540 and Byredo Black Saffron. Tom Ford Oud Wood and Glossy as You. Kahir Pistachio and Che Rosa 62. Valentino Born in Rome and Dossier Spicy Orchid. And the triple layer, Kayali Burning Cherry, Sarasan Desert at Sunset, plus Joe Malone's Ginger Biscuit. Perfection is boring. The iconic signatures are born from the dare to experiment. Which two scents are you brave enough to mix?